guys, it's SerenityyDoll and I'm back today with another video for you guys. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I'm SerenityyDoll. That was so extra. That was like, hi, I'm cute. But whatever. And if you're not new to my channel, welcome back. I missed you. I hope you missed me. The feeling's mutual. Mwah. I'm on a lot of caffeine right now. I went to go get a coffee bean. I'm energized. I'm ready. I already filmed this like video twice and it wasn't working out, but we're gonna get it right this time. So I'm excited. As you can tell from the title, I am doing a unboxing slash unpackaging on some phone cases that I bought, and I'm super excited because I love phone cases. They're almost like my purses now and my shoes, where like I always buy a lot of shoes and purses, and now I'm buying like a lot of phone cases. So I'm super excited. So yeah, the two companies slash like people that I bought them from, one of them is from Velvet Caviar. I'm pretty sure some of you guys have heard about them. They're pretty like all over, they're pretty much all over like Instagram. I keep seeing them like everywhere. And also the other phone case that I did get is from my friend. I met her on Instagram. She's super sweet. Her name's Christine and she's like really nice. Love her. She makes them by hand. I can't wait for you guys to see that. I don't want to say too much because I'm gonna give it away, but yeah. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Whatever. Yeah. Boom. So like I said, I tried to film this and it didn't come out right. But I kind of like, I didn't open it and like take it out, but like I kind of ripped the top to like open the package. You guys know I suck at unboxing, so I'm sorry. It's gonna be one of those. But my camera had cut off because it was being extra, and it just likes to be extra in my life. So if it wasn't, I guess it wouldn't be my life. But yeah, so didn't pull it out yet, but I did kind of rip the top. I'm not gonna show my address or anything like that, but it comes in like this little gray packaging. You know, it comes with my receipt. We don't like that, so we're gonna put it over there. And it comes with a thank you card. So it says, thank you, we appreciate you choosing Velvet Caviar. Enjoy. If you have any questions or concerns about your new product, please send us an email. We're here to help. And then it just says like the time and date the time and hours that they are available. And it says flip this card to join our photo contest. The thing that I like about this brand is that they do contests like every Friday. So you take a picture with their pretty phone cases because they're so pretty, and the winner, I guess that's most creative, or if they like the background or how it looks. Oh my god, I almost dropped that. If they like the background or how it looks, you could win a $30 gift card, and they post you on their Instagram, so it's like super cute. And yeah, so it's like something like these. So if you guys are interested, you guys should do it because that'd be really fun. So the first two phone cases that I bought, I'm gonna start with this one. This is a pretty blue, like flowery one, and it has like marble in the background. Sorry if my ring light reflects. And it comes in like this like I guess package box, whatever, so that way it's like protected. And it's like that, so it's pretty good, so it doesn't like get scratched or anything like that. And let me pull it out. Oh wow. Oh, I forgot about that. So when I ordered this, the reason why like I ordered this phone case was because I noticed that it was like when it turned, it kind of like reflects like kind of like a metallic type thing. So, or I want to say maybe like holographic but not holographic. So you see what I'm talking about? So when I move it, it like the light hits it and it like shines more. Yeah, so like this, all this gold, it's like super like out. Look at how pretty that is. Cute. That's why I really liked it, because I felt like that made the blue pop even more. Super cute. These phone cases aren't super thick, is which I love about this company, because honestly, they're thick enough where it doesn't look bulky, and they're thin enough so where it looks slim on your phone. But I promise you, they're not like skimpy phone cases where like if you drop it, your phone's gonna break, because I've had one before, so I've dropped it like plenty of times and it has not yet cracked or anything like that. Knock on wood. Somewhere. Inside it just says like a Velvet Caviar, and it's like kind of spongy inside. Like a little like protective. It's really nice. So this is how it looks sideways. And like this. So yeah, so It's like super sturdy. I really like this. This is the first one that I got. So I'm gonna take off my phone case and put it on my phone. This is just how it looks. Oh my god. And this is how it looks on the 7 Plus. They have it for like all iPhones, and I believe a lot of Samsungs as well. So they do have like different variety cases for different phones. So it looks like that. So oh my god, little fingerprints on that. Don't look at that. But yeah, so it's pretty slim. Pretty slim. I love it, and it's like super cute. So I could take like a cute selfie or something, and like, ooh, this hair, you know, like, and then it like. You see how like metallics kind of off, like oh, it's not just a regular blue flower phone case. It has some gold in it, and it shines. You're welcome. So this is the first phone case that I bought. Super, super cute. Love it. A+. You guys should go get a phone case from them. Yeah, I think you should. So that one, I'm excited for that case. Yay! Okay, so the second phone case that I got, and this one I'm super excited for. So let me just take off this phone case real quick, because this is the one that literally had me shook, and I just put it in my bag and I was like, oh, add to the cart. Like, there it is. Oh my god, this is kind of hard to take off though.
How do I take this off without hitting my phone? Oh, I almost dropped it. Okay. Well, let me tell you one thing, it won't fall off your phone. It's a little hard to take off. Okay. I'm having a little bit of a problem. Oh my god. Okay. I almost got it. Wait. Oh my god. Wait. No. Why won't it come off?
I probably wasn't taking it off right, but these are really gripped. So they grip onto your phone. So you're good, because it took me a minute to get this off. Yeah. Okay, so the second one, oh my god, I pushed a bunch of buttons. The second one that I bought is, I'm excited to show this to you guys, because like I said, I love butterflies. So this pretty one right here, look at all these butterflies. It is transparent, so that's how it would look like on a pink phone case. But my phone is black because black is my favorite color, or one of them. So yeah, so I couldn't wait to buy it. And also this one, just like the other one, oh my god. It also, like the butterflies are outlined and like silver. I don't know if you guys could see it, I hope you guys can. This glare is like, if you guys can't see it, the butterflies are outlined in like a silver lining, and it shines just like the flower one does. So when you kind of like turn it, the butterflies kind of like reflect off, and it gives it like this metallically look. I'm not saying that right. It's fine. A lot of caffeine. I'm gonna get some of my coffee bean drink, because yeah.
This is really good. I got a refresher. It's not coffee. It's one of the newest ones, like black cherry, cold brew, something. It's really good though.
Super cute. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay. So it's like that. Look at how cute. Okay, so I'm gonna get like a wipe real quick to clean this phone, so that way you guys can see how pretty it looks, because I got some fingerprints on this phone case. On this phone. Hold on. Phone is clean, all clean and cute now. So I'm gonna put the butterfly one on my phone. I'm probably gonna leave this one on my phone. Probably. Look at how pretty it looks on the black one, guys. I know some people may probably think, and I think too it does show more on like the pinkish or like the rose gold iPhone for iPhone 8 or iPhone 7 Plus or whatever. But I love black, so I think it shows just as nice on the black one. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe even a little bit better, just because I feel like the butterflies are vibrant and pretty, and they have like a bunch of butterflies on it, like all kinds of different butterflies, so it looks really nice. So yeah, so I think it looks super cute. This is so cute. I love this phone. This phone case, this is my favorite phone case. And the print is like really good too. They almost look like stickers, but they're not. That's cute. So yeah, so Velvet Caviar, you did a good job. This is my new favorite phone case now. I recommend you guys go buy them. Look at how cute that looks. Like, I have butterflies on my phone, guys. It's so cute. Okay. So yeah. So moving on to the next phone case that I bought. But yeah, Velvet Caviar, really good. Like that brown. That brown is like super bomb. And yeah. So now for this phone case, I wanted to save this one for last because like I want to close it out with a bang. I really am so excited to show this phone case because really quick, the girl that made it for me, I hit her up when I was, I want to say maybe like 19, 20, okay? Like 19 or 20 years old. That's when I found her. I found her on Etsy. And I am gonna pull up her Instagram. I'm not too sure if she does still have an Etsy, but I will pull up her Instagram. Her Instagram name is Stop Christine. And I think before that it was Kiki Vanessa. I think that's how I found her on Etsy actually. This is one of the mirrors that she did. You guys can see that. Yeah. And then that's her. So I will link all the information down below. So you can follow her and hit her up because she does really cute phone cases and stuff like that. So let me just show you the phone case that she did for me because I'm shook. So I told her I wanted butterflies because I love butterflies. Like just check this out. Like look how cute this is. So butterflies, and look at those little French fries, you guys. Look at those potatoes. Look at those. And there's like a cute little duck right there. Like, isn't this not just fun? Where it's just like, I'm gonna be girly as fuck today. Like,
excuse me, who are you?
look at how cute. So there's a bunch of like butterflies, a little like wing type thing, which is so like, it's kind of like feathery too. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. A little butterfly like chancla going on right here. Like look at that. So cute. And the jewels that she put on, they're like kind of like holographic jewels, like little jewels that she put in the background. And then she also threw in a Hello Kitty because she knew that I liked Hello Kitty when we had first met. Oh my god, I hope you could see that. Look at how cute that is. Like, it's so fun. It's so kiwaki or kiwai. I don't know how to say it. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. It's like that Japanese type culture or whatever where they just kind of, I think it's Japanese. It could be Chinese. Maybe Korean. I don't really know, to be honest. I hope I'm not fucking it up. Please don't get offensive. But yeah, so yay! Thank you so much, Christine. I really love the work that you did. You're so amazing. You're so awesome. Yeah. So real quick, if you guys do like this, she can make any type of style for you, any type of thing that you want. If you guys do want to get anything made by her, just hit her up. Like I said, her Instagram will be linked down below. I'm gonna see if she does I know she has a website, but I'm not too sure if it's up and running. I know last time it was under construction. But I'm gonna make sure if she does, I'm gonna hit her up and ask her so that way I can just link it down for you guys. But super friendly, super cute girl, super nice, super sweet. Thank you so much. Love this phone case. Love you. You're the best. And you know, it's so funny because I eat French fries all the time. Like all the time. Like, as people that know me, usually when like I do a good job or I do something, I reward myself and I get an order of French fries because I love French fries. I love potatoes. Like, they're so good. So yeah, so I thought this was really cute that she put that in there because I eat French fries like crazy. It's so funny how like she knew me but didn't know me. Yeah, I love that. So thank you so much. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for, you know, tuning in and sticking around. Want to reach up to 500 followers because I do want to, and I am planning another giveaway, and this giveaway is going to be a little bit bigger than the last giveaway I did. It's going to be multiple items, so let's try to get this to 500. But yeah guys, so that is it for this video. This video was a little bit quicker than some of my other videos. You know me, I talk a lot sometimes, but it's cool. I'm a talker. It's fine. But thank you guys so much for sticking around and, you know, watching my video and whatnot. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did like it, like I said, make sure you subscribe. And if you guys do like it as well, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also click the notification bell so you can stay up to date with me. And like I said, we could be a family. Because why not? Like, you're being ugly if you don't want to be a family with me. No, I'm just kidding. That's me being bitter. But yeah, but thanks guys again so much, and I hope you guys have a good night and everything. Check out Velvet Caviar, and check out what is it, Stop Christine, or Christine Stop Christine, I believe. Check out Stop Christine, super sweet like I said. And yeah, so thank you guys again. I hope you guys have a great night, and I will see you next video. Bye. Mwah.